Hello everyone, I welcome you at our channel. Let's see our trailer first. Welcome again. Today is we are starting as usual US trading session presentation regarding our positions that we opened in the beginning of the week. First position was opened 2 weeks ago, which is January 25th. You can check my videos regarding those positions, exactly when we entered, which price we bought, which was target, which was stop loss, and all of that. You can check it on 25th of January, starting from that period. Okay, so we was making good trading session today on Europe. A lot of our European stocks was in plus today. Plus, we made some changes in Middle East trading session too. We opened some KSA stocks, but again, we will come back to, as you can see, the price of. Let's just take a few moments on clearing some positions. The BMW and Renault is giving us more than $5,000 of profit, and basically, what does it mean? It doesn't mean that I'm very successful all the time. No, it doesn't mean that. Absolutely. As any um, as any, I would say, fund manager, as you could say, or as any analyst, you could understand that there is some discipline that you must follow. If there is no discipline inside your trading, inside your management, if there is no risk management, those like pillars of your success is your trading world will be shattered in time. So that is why you must know that you should have your own trading plan connected to your psychological discipline of making positions, of buying and selling the stocks, your targets, your risk management, of course, how much you can bear psychologically again, which means that if you can bear minus 2,000, 5,000, minus 10,000, then there is no point of you to start off market at all, because that's I mean we are the fighters uh, of the world that is unseen. Okay, so because if you are bull, you must know that there's some laws that you must follow in your perma bull situation. Plus, there must be a bearish. If you perma bear, then you must know that there's a law of perma bears too. So to sum it up, have you tried to make your own self discipline, make yourself schedule inside the trading session, not just pumping your portfolio without basing it on fundamental data, for example, without economical analysis, without earnings support, without PE ratio. If you just follow and stick to the technical analysis as it's naked itself, you won't be successful. I'm sure about that. But you know that still life is going, and you must know that there's different thousands of techniques in YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. There's people who can teach you good and people who can teach you bad. So our educational purposes is focused on making some of the private banking services public. Okay, we're not looking for new clients. We're not looking for new partners or whatever. These partners maybe, but in general, we're happy what we have, and there's no like hidden purpose of my presentations. Okay, so I'm just sharing, and as you could share it someday with me some of the good information too. But anyhow, let's concentrate on the market, and let's go back to our positions here. Um, what we have yesterday, I was making a huge like movement on my positions here. You can see that we if you will open yesterday charts and yesterday positions on YouTube on my channel, you will see that we added it Baba, Tesla, Google, and Amazon. Okay, today there gonna be a new not new, it will continue the same logic of movement. Okay, market structure, I call it. Market structure will be the same today, but with slight differences. Okay, why slight differences? Because 4 hour chart is a bit not that satisfying as it should be. There is a dodgy over here. That means that possible tomorrow or by the midday today they could retest again some of the levels that was tested before. Okay, what I'm talking about 30,100. If we will not break 30,500, this level is critically important, because from there's a huge orders over here, huge premium calls, and they just waiting for this number for MMAs to be sure in the market to start the movement. Okay, so futures are going up, many stocks are rising, Pfizer, and there is many different companies have good profit and positive news. So regarding that, there is also some of the data coming out today, but that data is not that significant as it should be, because that data is the main data will come like later this week. Okay, it's same ISM index, which will be New York one, and some other economical info that will come. So let's wait for the opening. Let me just check some euros here. I was increasing today in euro session, and there is still fight on the currency market, especially. There is a battle going on for 2080. If 1.2080 will be broken, then the euro will skyrocket. Okay. Okay, so the market is open. Let's see. So it's very near to our main resistance line. Let's see the 1 minute chart. Not 1 minute. Let's see 15 minutes. Well, it's up, and it does have a very good movement ahead, but um, the actual resistance could be around 30,700. If the momentum will be the same. Okay, let's check our positions. Okay, we are over $50,000. We started from 10. Just some of the stocks are still not reaching our targets. Okay, let's start from Baba. Okay, Baba opened in red, and it can. I told you maybe a few days ago, I was talking about the Alibaba information that is coming regarding the company. It's still not that solid, but it's good for the long term. They will change APS. EPS rate will be slightly higher than before, than previous one, sorry. Okay, um, just let me see how I do over there. Well, I will show you some of the techniques that I'm using and some of the secrets of trading. You see that there is a divergence, like so-called divergence, I would say, okay? But it's not classical, it's against the laws of the market movement, okay? What do I mean? I mean that the close of previous top and the close of the current top is not the same, it's lower. You can see that. That means that they are trying to get people in. Uh, it could be hedge fund play. It's called false level of false stop or false bottom, depends on the market, of course. Okay, so I would buy more Baba, honestly, I would say, because it's like I don't. It's not that huge plan. Okay, it's obvious plan. It's obvious bear trap, I would say, but still it is on. So just we could add. I mean, we do have like 50,000 right now. Profit is 21,000. We could maybe we should close some of the stocks over here because they reached our targets. As I was saying, the emotions that are coming on the trading session, during trading session, they all emotions, okay? They're like minute effect, but it can harm your discipline, okay? So we bought here, okay? Let's say our buy price here, we bought here, and we could take the profit and go out. I mean, technically, we have reached the previous high, as I said yesterday, but it's still far from 3,600, and the formation of that hour is not that. That's classical double top over here. Okay, let's see if it will be confirmed on 15 minutes chart, then I will get out. Okay, doesn't matter if it gives us higher prices and new highs. It must be solid in your system. Okay. Uh, well, I have some bad news for you guys. It does have inside. There's like two divergences. One in the main and one inside the lower sequence. Okay, the lower sequence. Okay. So let's wait for this. Yeah, I will run away. I will take the cash. Okay, I will take the profit because even 1 minute is showing us a huge movement. So we will sell Amazon. We will close the profit over here. Okay, and let's see the Google. Does Google have inside reversal? It's called reversal. It's not the main reversal of the trend, by the way. It's just a momentum reversal for the whole trading day. As I told you today, possibly by the midday, we might have like go back. Maybe some negative news will come out. Maybe some political or some news that will destroy the mood of the bulls. Okay, but I can reduce positions. Okay, That's one of the things I could do. Um, the Dow is have reached 30,500, the level that I was talking. But is it constant? Is it constant for the future? I cannot say now because first of all, there's a huge number of people here. I mean, retail algo tradings, and they are for some reason shorting a lot of stocks. Okay, let me just check the futures for the for solid decision. Okay, okay. Let's wait. So we got good profit on Amazon today. Basically, if you have like 16, like how many deals we had, like 16, 15 positive profitable deals in a row, you can have yourself a weekend and celebrate your profits. Because if we will calculate, there is like January 25th was our, it's not showing. It's like, all our decisions that we made was profitable in a row. Okay, so technically one, if we will start from 25th, even from 20th, January 20, the first deal was, yeah, $10,000 was on January 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 9, 10, 11. I'm not gonna calculate the small ones. 11, 12. That's like 12 deals, 12 profitable positions in a row. Technically, you can make yourself a day off to celebrate it, and to know that it's good for self-esteem, of course, and it's good for your trading. It's a trading material for yourself, and to analyze your exits and entries, and to analyze what made you, what caused you to decide to buy or sell it, especially on any level. Yeah, well, I see Amazon and I'm still unhappy about it. We're gonna close it, okay? Because it's not solid. It's not real market over here. Sorry, not Amazon, Google. We sold Amazon. Sorry. Yeah, well, as I said, I'm not. Let's see again. Still, it's not that solid. It's not real deal here going on. Of course, 1 hour chart will close in 19 minutes with a green candle, and second could be the dodges, which means some of them up, some of them down. But what I really don't like is that we have like a local divergence here, and it doesn't look like that it will break the movement. Okay, just waiting for the futures to update. Okay, one sec. And the euros is going down, as I see. Well, it's going to be stopped like in 15, 10 minutes. If you have forex positions, you can buy euros now. It does make a double bottom over here. So we have positive factor here, which is euros, and we have positive factor that is pi. It is above 370. Just we will do this. We will leave Tesla and we will leave Google but with less contract inside. Okay, we will just okay, let me try to make you some example that we could do. Okay, we bought 20 and we will sell 20. Okay, so we have 50 now. It's plus 5,000. We can leave it until the market will have clear direction. And regarding the euros, we will leave. It's bearable. 1,000 is it's inside the market noise, as I could say. Okay. So Tesla is crawling, is digging the ceiling, and I know that 88 will be broken for sure. This is our buy price here. We're on 1860. So just leave it, and we will leave it until tomorrow. Okay. Uh, you can grab some calls, but with precautious. Okay, be cautious. Sometimes they can do like bullish traps, but not maybe not this time. Okay, and I'm sure that it's gonna be positive. But still, we made a good day today. I hope you find something useful for yourself. And I hope to see you tomorrow, okay, on your session and later.